Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat mga friends. Ang pag-usapan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa pension loan program ng Social Security System. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa vlog na ito, kindly press the subscribe button for future updates. Ito po si Doc Mar. Welcome! Hi ulit mga ka-OMG! Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, ang pag-usapan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa pension loan program ng SSS. Alam niyo ba mga friends na ang SSS ay nag-encourage ng mga retiree pensioners to avail of this low-interest pension loan program. At kung ikaw ay isang pensioner at nangangailangan ka ng pera or ilang amount para sa panandaliang pangangailangan, you can avail of this pension loan program. At alam niyo ba mga friends na ang isang pensioner ay makapag-avail ng 9 or 12 times than their basic monthly pension plus 1,000 additional benefit but not to exceed the maximum loan amount of 200,000 pesos. At kung kayo na ay nakapag-avail, paano po ang pagbayad nito? Ang ito pong pension loan program ay payable in 24 months. Ulitin ko po, this is payable in 24 months. So hindi po mahirap at parang it's easy to make installments for these 24 months. Kayang-kaya.
Wow!
And those who opt to avail of this pension loan program, pwede po kayong mag-submit ng application through online via SSS website. Ulitin ko po, those who opt to avail may submit application online through SSS website. At ano naman ang mga qualifications in order to qualify for this pension loan? Number 1, a pensioner must be 85 years old and below at the end of the last month of the loan term. Ulitin ko po, he must be 85 years old and below at the end of the last month of the loan term. Pangalawa po, no outstanding balance and benefit overpayment payable to SSS. Number 3, no existing advanced pension under the SSS Calamity Assistance Package. And number 4, must be receiving regular monthly pension for at least 1 month with an active status. At kung na-approve na po ang iyong loan, the loan proceeds shall be credited to the cash card or UMID card within 5 working days from the approved date of application. And so mga dear pensioners, kung kailangan nyo ng pera or kailangan nyo may paggagastahan, you can avail of the pension loan program. So wag nang magpatumpik-tumpik, wag nang mag-delay-delay, go to any SSS branch and ask for information, or as what I have said a while ago, you can submit your applications online through SSS website. Sana po ay nakapagbigay tayo ng kaalaman sa ating mga pensioners. Ito po si Doc Mar. Salamat. Bye-bye.